Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So today topic for discussion will be advisories companies in India. So there are many advisories companies which do provide stock recommendation. So basically these companies will tell you to buy a stock or maybe to sell a stock. So today we'll try to uncover that how these advisories company basically operates. 98% or 99% of them operates on the same way, and they try to fool the people around. Maybe 1 or 2% are genuine. So what happens is most of the people think that these advisories companies have their analysts or researchers which research over the stock and then try to provide a recommendation to the people out there, but that's actually not the case. So please do watch the entire video. This video might be a bit lengthy, but yeah, it's informative, so please do watch the entire video. Okay, so let's start. What actually happens is these advisory companies get your contact number through the broker or maybe through any other source. So when you open your Demat account, you provide your contact number, and by any means these advisories companies get your contact number. Since you will be new to the market, you won't be knowing much things about the market, so they will tell you that we are here to help you and we will provide you recommendation, we will tell you which stocks to buy, and for this you need to just give us some monthly charges, maybe 20k 30k or something like that. So today we'll try to find actually what is the mode of their operation, how do they operate, and how do they fool the people around. So this is one of the screenshot which I am showing over here. You guys might be receiving such messages. So today's profit of 1.65 lakhs, pay 22,000, which is their basic charge, and then confirm profit of 2 lakh. Okay, so there are so many messages you will receive. So let's get into the way they operate and how do they fool people around. So this is a basic workflow which I have created. So we will consider that advisory company has a 50 client. So what this company does is basically they will divide 50 client and then they will tell 25 of them to buy a particular stock, consider X, and 25 of them to sell that same stock X. So now the probability is that either the stock X will go up or the either stock X will go down. There are only two probabilities. So those of you don't know, we can sell the stock before buying it. This can be done basically in futures. In upcoming videos, I will make a video on what is futures and option and how you can sell the stock even before buying it. So for now we will leave that part, but we'll just consider that okay, 25 of them have bought the stock, and 25 of them have sold the stock. So if the stock goes down, 25 those who have sold the stock will get profit. If the stock goes up, 25 of them, those who have bought the stock, will be in profit. So we will take the example that okay, the stock goes up, so these 25 people, those who have bought the stock, are in profit now, and then 25 of those who have sold are in loss. So we will take that part later. Now in these 25, those who have bought, they will be in profit for a day. So now next day in these 25 again, they will ask 12 of them to buy and then 12 of them to sell the stock. And then again one, either the 12 of them, those who are buying, may be in profit, or those 12 of them are selling, might be in profit, and so on. So again in this 12, 6 of them they will recommend to buy, again 6 of them they will recommend to sell, and this goes on. So now comes the money making part. So first day this 25 of those who have bought the stock were in profit, consider second day 12 of those who bought the stock, they were in profit. So now the company will try to get money from these people. These are the extra money that they will tell that we have given you such and such decent call. Now we have this term which we forget you to explain while registering with us. For this you need to pay this much amount of money. And then they will tell, sir, don't worry, as we have given a good call yesterday itself, we will try to recover from the market itself. We will give another call today, and then you will recover the same money from the market. But now, for right now, you need to pay to us. So what happens is that the people, those who are in profit, they will think that okay, these guys have provided a good recommendation, and they will try to recover my money from the market itself. It is not going from my pocket, so they give the money. Same goes with the 12. So now 25 of them have given them extra money apart from their charges, and then on the next day 12 of them will be again asked to pay the extra amount. That, sir, now you are getting profit, you can get more profit if you shift your plan from this to this or something like that. They have their all methods to extract money from everyone. So like this they will try to extract money from first from the people those who are in profit. Now coming to the people those who are in loss. So those who are in loss, they will the advisory companies will tell, sir, as you know that market is supreme and all such kind of statement they will made. And then they will tell, don't worry, we will try to recover it as soon as possible, maybe tomorrow itself or something like this. And the same method they will apply on these 25 people those who are in loss again. And if they get profit, it's actually due to their luck. If they get profit, again the same thing they will apply. They will try to get money from them, asking that do take this our different subscription, or you need to pay to this which we have forget to tell you while registering, or something like this. Or suppose if a person is constantly at loss, so what will he do? He will call them, he will tell them you guys are fraud or such kind of things. From the next day itself they will stop receiving your calls. That's it. So you have lost your hard earned money in the market, and upon that you have lost your capital. Upon that you have lost the charges which you have paid to the advisory companies. So basically this is the funda of the advisory company. They don't give a damn to any research. They just do this workflow, they work on this workflow, and they extract money from the people, because they know that you guys are new in the market, you don't know anything about the market. They will try to extract money from you guys. So let me make a point very clear here. Making money from the market is not simple as you think. Now considering the COVID situation, everyone is doing work from home, so everyone is thinking that we will jump to stock market and we will make some extra money. And this has been seen that so many brokers has been posted their numbers that there has been 300% increase in the openings of account. There has been 400% in the increase of opening of demat account itself. So this means that many newcomers are coming in the market. And considering the situation that the market is so volatile and these guys are out there searching for you to take out all your money from your pocket, there is a high probability that a newcomer who is coming to market now, he will lose his entire capital plus the charges which he will pay to these companies. So I would recommend you guys to do your own research, do your own proper study before coming into the market, because it's very difficult here to make money. You don't know whom you are competing against. There are such high frequent trader. There are so you algorithmic trading is a new thing itself. They do trading in a bulk amount. There will be so bulk orders. You are competing against the people those who have lots of money. They can change the trend of market for a while. So you don't know whom you're competing against. You need to compete against these people to make a winning trade. So it's very difficult here to make winning or to survive in the market. So don't depend on this advisories company. This is my recommendation from my side. Before investing, do your own research and then try to come to market. So that's all for today. If you guys find anything informative, please do like the video and please consider to subscribe my channel. I will be uploading more such informative videos regarding to the market. Thank you.